came to this. Okay, shall we go to the next one? Rajkumar is 40 years and Lakshman is 60 years. How many years ago was their ages in the ratio 3:5? Now they are given the ages and they're asking how many years ago, means in the past, when was their ages in the ratio 3:5? Right. Answer. Earlier questions they had given directly after 10 years, after 5 years, before 5 years, before 6. Now I am just giving you the ages and I'm asking you before how many years was their ages in the ratio 3:5?
So 10 years.
Yes, for 10 years is that. Okay. Now, Rajkumar is 40 years old and Lakshman is 60 years old. This given data is the present age data. Okay. Present age. The present age, Rajkumar and Lakshman are in the ratio 40:60 or whatever. Okay. They're asking for the past age before how much ever we do not know. Past age is in the ratio 3:5. Okay. We need to find this X. What is this X value we need to find? Now, if you are currently 20 years, what will be your age before 10 years? 10 years. If your age is 45, before 10 years is 35. Fine. Now we need to find what is that difference. In order to find it, this 40 minus X will give you the age. Yes, 40 minus X will give you the age. 60 minus X also will give you that person's age. And these two are in which ratio? 3:5. These two people are in which ratio? 3:5. So now you can cross multiply and find out the value of X. Cross multiply and find X. This becomes 60 minus X into 3 is equal to 5 into 40 minus X. Thus becomes 180 minus 3X equal to 200 minus 5X. Or it can be 2X is equal to 20 or X is equal to 10. X is equal to 10X. Clear? Any doubts? Okay. Next question. Let us take it up. The ratio of ages of two persons is 4:7 and age of one of them is 30 years greater than the other. Find the sum of their ages. The ratio of ages of two persons is 4:7 and age of one of them is 30 years greater than the other. Find the sum of their ages. Yes, answer. Don't tell me. Is online people answer?
Not able to solve.
Okay, there are two people, A, B, their ratio is 4:7. Okay, and age of one of them is 30 years greater than the other. Example, if A's age is 10, what will be the B's age? 40. If A's age is 30, what will be B's age? 70. So it means the difference between them should be equal to 30. Yes or no? Yes. No. If difference between them should be equal to 30, what's the difference between the ratios? 3R is equal to 30. Yes? Yes or no? So single R equal to 10 years. Now single R equal to 10 years, what are they asking? Find the sum of their ages. Find the sum of their ages. Means A plus B. A plus B is nothing but 11, 110. Whatever you said is right. 11R equal to 110. This is the sum of their ages. Okay, sum of the clear? Any doubts? Concept is clear. How you got it? Obviously, if A's age is 10, B's age is going to be 40. If age is 30, is going to be 70. Or difference between them is going to be didn't get you. Okay, this one. Okay, sorry. My bad. Okay. 30 minus 60 is going to be so. Okay. So this is how you solve it. Read the question. These kind of similar problems will be coming in your entrance. Math, CMAT, PGCET completely easier only will get. Not these kind of things also. Okay, clear? Online people, any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes. No. The respective ratio of their present ages of Bala and Megha is 21:19. 6 years ago, their respective ratio between their ages was 9:8. How old is Krishav if his present age is 12, less than Megha's present age? The question seems to be lengthy, but it is an easy question. Take out statement by statement, try to solve. How many people are there in this? How many people are there in this question? 2. 3 people. Bala, Megha, Krishav. What is the ratio of the present ages? Ratio of present age 21:19. 6 years ago means past. The ratio was 9:8. That's all. You can solve it from here. Right. Answer. What's the age of Krishav?
26 years.
26. Bala and Megha are in the ratio 21:19. This is the present age. And 6 years ago, their ratio was 9:8. This was before 6 years. Now, let us calculate the present age of Megha. For that, the difference between this is 2. Difference between this is 1. So I need to multiply this by 2 is by 1. So it becomes 21:19 and this becomes 18:16. Now the difference is common 2. Now this becomes 3 ratio ratio is equal to 6 or a single ratio equal to 2 years. 2 years. If single ratio equal to 2 years, what is the present age of Megha? It is 19 parts. So 19R is equal to 38 years. If Megha's age is 38, they are telling how old is Krishav if his present age is 12 years less than Megha's present age. So it becomes Krishav's age is 38 minus 12, that is nothing but 26. Easy, difficult. Anyone finding it difficult still? Easiest method to solve your ages problem. Okay, you can take up x plus 6 and all those things and you can do, but it becomes bit complicated if you forget even a single step. Online clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Will I repeat for anyone? Okay. So take up the next problem. Let's see. The ratio between the present ages of Bala and Amit is in the ratio 2:3, where Bala is 6 years younger than Amit. Then find the ratio of ages 6 years hence.
3:4.
Sorry.
3:4.
Find the ratio of the ages. Yes, 3:4. Yes, others answers. Okay. They have given the ratio of two people, Bala and Amit. It's in the ratio 2:3. They are telling Bala is 6 years younger than that of Amit. If Amit is 10 years, what's the age of Bala going to be? 4 years. After 10 years, what is the age of Amit? 20. After 10 years, what is the age of Bala? 14. What's the difference now? 6 years. Important point. Let it be right now. Let it be after 100 years. The age difference will always be same. Example, I am telling Lakshman. I am Lakshman. Okay. So my brother Rashman. So I am twice the age of my brother. So when I was 5, I was twice the age of my brother. Means, or like when I was 10. So when I was 10, I was twice the age of my brother. It means my brother's age was 5 years. When I am 100 years, what will be the age of my brother? 50. Very good. Keep it up. Go and stand in the queue and get your admission form and join the college. Huh? 85. Somebody said 50 now. Age difference over here is 5 years. Even after 100 years, even after 200 years, your age difference is going to be same. So it cannot be 50 years. Your age is going to be 95. Right? At some point of time, I was twice the age of my brother. Right? This is the important concept to remember. The age difference will always remain 60 years. Immediately go and join the college. They will be more than happy to take you in. Okay. So where Bala is 6 years younger than of Amit. So Bala, Amit is in the ratio 2:3. It means Bala is 6 years younger means always the age difference is going to be 6 years. So what is the difference between Amit and Bala here in the ratio? One ratio. This one ratio is nothing but 6 years. 6 years. Then what are they asking? Find their ratios of their ages 6 years hence. Means 6 years after. So you should find the present age of Amit and Bala. So present age of Bala is going to be 12:2 and this is going to be 18. 12:18. 6 years hence means plus 6 is going to be 18:24 or 3:4. This is going to be the ratio of their present of their ages 6 years hence. Clear or any doubts? Clear? Sonia? Clear. Next question you are solving. If you don't solve means I'm going to send you out of the class. Okay. Online clear? Let it be same. No. Same. 6 years younger, 6 years younger. It doesn't make a difference. Clear? Only few steps you can get the answer. So do not complicate it. Online any doubts? Let me know. This Aaron, Abhishek, Advait, Dharani, Megha, Pallavi, Purvi, Sharmila, Srushti, Surya, Syed.
Yes, sir.
All clear? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The ratio of the present ages of 3 persons are 4:7:9. 8 years ago, sum of their ages was 56. Find their present ages in years. Find their present ages in years. 30 seconds. So they start a timer. Okay, I'll start a timer. Last 10 seconds. Okay, timer. All forget your dreams and go back home. Okay. Now what are they asking? Easy question only. The ratio of the present ages of 3 persons are 4:7:9. Let the 3 persons be A is to B is to C is 4:7:9. Okay. They are given 8 years ago the sum of the ages was 56. Sum of their ages was 56. 8 years ago. If 8 years ago it was 56, what would be the present sum of age?
80.
64.
80.
80. 8 plus 8 plus 8 for 3 persons. No. Each person the age will increase by 8. Yes or no? Each person the age will increase by 8. A's age will increase by 8. B's age will increase by 8. C's age will increase by 8. 8 plus 8 plus 8 becomes 24. 56 plus 24 becomes the current sum of age. That that is nothing but 80 years. If this is the current sum of age, ratio you know, so it becomes 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 9 is 20. 20R is equivalent to 80 years. So single R equal to 4 years. If single R equal to 4 years, what is the present ages in years they're asked? So you can directly substitute here, becomes 4 into 4, 16, then becomes 4 into 7, 28, and 9 into 4 becomes 36. This becomes the present. Understanding or not understanding? You only said, right, if A plus B combinedly is having the age of 100 years, what is the age after 10 years? You said 10 plus 10, 120 years. So before 10 years means 90 years, 80 years, 80. 10, 10 supply. Fine. This is the concept used over here. Yeah. Sum of ages, this one is very important. Now, if I'm telling their average age, what will be their average age after 8 years?
108.
Average age after 8 years. I'll take the scenario and then I'll ask you wait. A plus B is 100 years altogether. Okay. After 10 years, before 10 years. I'm asking the average age. What will be the average age of A plus B after 10 years?
110.
110. Average means it is A plus B divided by 2, right? It's going to be that. So 20 divided by 2 is going to be 10 years. So before 10 years means 90 years. 90 years. This is going to be for average years. Be careful. The sum average. Immediately the entire concept changes, right? A small word, entire thing will be clear, not clear. Not clear. Next question you are solving. Okay, the next question. Sum of ages of 5 children born at an interval of 3 years each is 60 years. What is the age of youngest child? Let's do it. Experts. Surya will tell the answer. Yes, Surya.
4 years.
4 years. Yes, answer. Easy one. Yes, Surya, answer. What? Answer. Guys, only 30 seconds for each question. You cannot take a minute, 2 minutes on all marks. No one are taking it seriously. All are playful. Answer. 4 years. What 4 years or no? 5 years. 4 or 5 years. Check the answer again. I think it should be 5 years, I think. It should be 5. It should be 5. It shouldn't be. Sum of the ages of 5 children born at an interval of 3 years. Okay, we do not know who are those children. They are born at an interval of 3 years. So A is the first child. Second child is A plus 3. And third child is A plus 6. Fourth child is A plus 9. Fifth child is A plus 12. Sum of their ages is 60. 60. It is nothing but 5A plus 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 12 is 40. 5A plus 30 equal to 60, or 5A equal to 30, or A equal to 6 years. The sum of the age of the youngest child is 6 years. Not even 5, it is 6.
So it is 40.
Sorry, somebody said something. I'm not able to hear. You can just like type it out so I can see your chat.
Sir, it is 40, sir. They're like not plus 30, plus 40 it is.
It's 40, huh? Okay. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 12, 30. No, 30 only, man. It's not 40. 18 plus 12 is 30 only. How can it be 40? 5A plus 30 equal to 60. 5A equal to 30. Or A is equal to 6. It's right. Youngest child age is 6 years. Yeah. A is 2 years older than B, who is twice as old as C. Okay. A is 2 years older than B, who is twice as old as C. The total of the ages of A, B, C is 32. How old is B? Try. 40 seconds. Take up. But I need the answer.
12 years.
Sorry, 12 years. Huh?
Yes, sir, 12 years.
Okay. A is 2 years older than B, who is twice as old as C. Okay. We do not know the age of C, so we'll take it up as A. Okay. And B is going to be twice as old as C. That is nothing but 2A. So A is going to be 2 years older than B. Means 2A plus 2. Now they are telling us the total of the ages is A plus B plus C is 32. So 2A plus 2 plus 2A plus A is equal to 32. Or it can be written as 5A plus 2 equal to 32. Or 5A equal to 30. A is equal to 6 years. A is equal to 6 years. Now they're asking how old is B. So B is going to be 6 into 2, that is 12 years. Easy. Analyze the question. It is easy. If you don't analyze the question, it is difficult. Okay. Clear?